Alright, what up guys, what's going on? Today's actually Saturday. We have the car here. I have the tredwear tie letters downstairs actually. I'm going to be putting that on later with my wife. For right now, what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm actually going to be cleaning the tires. Degreasing, cleaning them, making sure all the grime and everything's off to put the tie letters on all four. I think it looks so good in yellow with the purple. I still haven't got to like really wash the car. I've just put like water and stuff on it, so it's kind of like, you know, still dirty and stuff. This front bumper has taken a beating. I know to you guys are gonna be like, this bumper looks a million times better than mine or whatever, blah blah blah. But like, it's just stuff like, there's like a scratch like right there. There's like this right here that like bothers me. Whatever, it's a street car. I'm not gonna change it now because we're going into winter, so that's not really an issue for me right now. I'm actually gonna end up getting a new bumper, or even the same bumper, and just I might just end up staying with the same bumper, just have everything get sanded down and get fixed up, stuff like that. I still need a side skirt or whatever, but yeah, that's what I do now for the hood exit. As you guys can see, you just put a cup over it. That way it doesn't get any water or anything like that. I actually washed the car with some water, and I didn't get to put that, so when I started it up, a whole bunch of like black shit spit all over the car, obviously from, you know, the stuff. I gotta get another one of these that fell out when I took the hood off, so little stuff here and there, but that's something quick you just get on eBay or Amazon or whatever. So let me grab the stuff to start cleaning these tires and get everything ready. Let's go, guys. Alright, a little bit of awesome. Dude, me and Julio been using this for like 10 years. I feel like me and Julio put so many car people onto this shit, from like the 99-cent store and shit. Bro, this is literally $3 now. It used to be even cheaper. Before it used to be like $1, $2. But anyways, this thing right here fucking works magic. Me and Julio been using this for years on the vlogs and everything, and like so many people started using this shit. But yeah, this is magic right here. Little ass bottle, little bottle from 99-cent store works a long way. So I got that. It's got like a regular brush, a little $2 brush. Look at that. Yes sir. From 99-cent store. Got my water hose. I got my towel over here. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look at this. Looks so good. So like this, I gotta connect this line today also. This is the other line. It's going all the way around. So you guys can see my hands right here. And in here, I don't think you can really see it in here. Oh, you can see it now. Let's see if the camera picks it up. Right there, the boost solenoid is there. Both of them are connected, as you guys can see. You can see there's one on the top, one on the bottom, and this one is still open because I gotta grab one from inside there. I gotta put the line here. I'm gonna probably put the line here, and then I'm gonna probably run it somewhere around here so it doesn't really, I don't want it to really touch. So I'm gonna see if I could put the line here and like maybe probably run a line here honestly, and then run it in through here around so it doesn't touch, and then connect it right here with a T. I got the T here in my pocket. That has to get well, actually it's inside the car, but that has to get T'd in into the turbo one right here. You guys can see to that line. And then, yeah, and then we good.
Ryan Little.
Really make sure everything's off. This one seems like it's good. It's already like on you just like see the tire and stuff like that, but I gotta hit it with some acetone too to really take like everything off. Alright, just went over this one again and that one, so it definitely should be straight now. Alright, so I got my line right here. I'm going to be running. Gotta run this line in here, and then I guess I'm going to swing it around. See how much I cut off. Alright, just like that, cut the lines. So line is running from here, running through here all the way around. I cut this line into two, so then I teed it in from here, put the other side here, and ran the bottom wastegate one into here, but you gotta tee it into the turbo, and we're good on that. So nice little tuck, you can't really see nothing. I put everything from behind, so not too shabby, looked good. Alright, got all the wheels off. Car's on jack stands on the back over here. I gotta shave this off, man. This thing is killing me right now. The wheel over here, I gotta look at this. It's rubbing in the wheel, so I already shaved off up here a long time ago, if you guys can see. I just didn't shave, I guess, like back here. As you can see, I was trying to hit it back, but this has a little bit of Bondo on it from when the car got hit when I first bought it. Car got hit like right here, around here somewhere, but otherwise my body cement. But yeah, I gotta just get a Dremel and shave this down because I can't roll it because all the Bondo's gonna end up cracking. So what I'm gonna do is just get a Dremel and just shave this down. Not now, another time, but yeah, for now the wheels are out. I'm gonna bring these aside. My wife is actually gonna help me. Look, see, it's getting rubbed on a little bit right here. It's only on this side, the other side is not. But as you can see, the tires are clean. I'm gonna get some acetone to clean the wheels a little bit more. Then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get the wheels done inside. My wife's actually gonna help me, so that's gonna be a big help right there. Fucking sweating. Summer's basically over. I thought I was gonna be able to enjoy this car during summertime, but a lot more things happen. Took a lot more time. Look at that. Look at that wastegate. Oh, so now you guys can actually see the boost saloon over here. Just bolted up over there. This thing is not going anywhere. Everything is lined up good. Yeah, everything here is pretty good. Look at that. And this thing is not going anywhere. So see, actually it's hitting a little. Oh, this is what it was hitting. It was hitting right there a little bit, but it's no big deal. Also got these from Frank from Downstar. It's for these right there. Gotta switch these out. Not sure if I'm gonna do them today or not, but I'm gonna take out these clips too and put all matching clips right here. You can see that I got some missing, so I just got this from Amazon. It says it'll fit like some Hondas and stuff like that. So we'll just see which ones are long. I just need some long ones to fit in there. So yeah. All right, that worked out good. I know I gotta get a new grill. I'm trying to get like a OEM style fresh grill. I haven't really found one. They have some on eBay with the mesh, but I need like the little clips that go down here that go into the bumper. So for right now, I'm just gonna stay with that one for right now. I'm in the house now, and got the wheels here. I got acetone right here. Just gonna put acetone all around the tire. Wipe it down with this. It's gonna take off any leftover grease, residue, wax, anything, and make it completely stripped and ready for the tire letters. These are the letters right here. They come with these stickers. Now I didn't get it like this last time, but I think that's pretty like even also. So I'm actually probably just gonna take it off of this, just glue all of them, and then just stick them all together because it's two pieces. This is the glue and stuff right here. Comes with sandpaper also. Let's get to it.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So I cleaned them. Now I just with the sandpaper, you basically just want to sand off where you're gonna be applying the sticker letters on, well, the tie letters on, because you want like a smooth grip for it to. It's like when you gonna primer. You want to make sure everything has grip before. So sanded this side, sanded that side, and now I'm gonna actually just. It fits actually great. With how they did it already. As you can see, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna go literally perfect. So I'm just gonna take the back piece off, glue everything on, and then try like that. See what happens. I just did the other two. I didn't get to really record. I didn't get to record it because this process is crazy. My fingers are, look at that, completely full of glue. But so I cleaned the tire. That still came off of that. So that's why you still need acetone to take off any leftover stuff that's on there. And I'm gonna do this side. What I'm gonna do is with the last wheel, I'm going to just show you guys how I did this, because I basically just take the sticker off and then I just glue the back. So I'll show you that on the last wheel. I'm just trying to get this done quick. So real quick before I dry it, that's how I literally put the glue, then I pick it up and then make sure it sticks. I try to get as close to the edge as possible so the edges could stick. This way your fingers look like after. Look at this finger. Bruh. Well guys, the next day, my camera literally has 3%, so I'm trying to vlog this real quick. Car's still dirty. It is what it is. I'm gonna take it real quick to just get a picture of just the side, but my goodness, look at this fucking thing, bro. Look how beautiful this thing looks. Oh man, I'm loving it. Yeah, but I'm gonna take it to the spot where I usually take my car to and just get like a shot from the side. Hey, what up guys, what's going on? Today's actually Sunday. It's been a few days. I didn't really get to record much more of the car that day. I took it out to take a picture of it real quick because the battery died on the camera, so I couldn't get to take more videos or whatever. But the tire literally came out great. Like everything is on there, nothing is coming off. I have to swap tires. I believe I have to swap. This is the back tire, and that one, the one over there, it's the front tire. Not necessarily that it's back and front. It's just that these are brand new, and the ones in the back I had got from my friend that he used them for like a month or so. So I just want the good ones in the back. So I just gotta swap them over, because you could definitely tell a little bit. Yeah. But overall, man, the car came out good. Still haven't got to wash the car. I haven't got to wash it yet, so that's that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take it out tonight with my wife to go get some food later on tonight. It's actually her birthday weekend, so I haven't been able to really vlog. But I'll take the camera with me tonight. The next vlog also you guys are gonna see is gonna be with this bad boy right here, which is the new iPhone 14 in purple. Because a lot of you guys say that when I'm literally just walk and the camera just on like when I edit it or whatever, it just, you guys say it looks like this. It's nothing I could do. The camera just doesn't come with a stabilizer. So when I'm walking like this looks like a lot to you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like that's how it looks to you guys. Like this is just me walking. So you guys see like a lot of like shaking and stuff. For me not to do that, I would have to probably like literally hold this thing so stiff and like tight. So I'm gonna do my next vlog with my iPhone. For the OGs, I remember I used to always vlog with my iPhone before, and iPhone camera I'm pretty sure is literally better than this one. It's fucking insane. Like, let me show you guys. This new camera on his iPhone is insane. And then they got action mode too, so look how clear that is. And then I could just go even better with the wide angle, which I literally love. Look at that. And then we can hit it with the cinematic mode. Oh man, this mode right here is nuts. So like, man, I know a lot of you have iPhones, but everything in the back just gets blurred. And then we have this up here, which is action mode. So if you click here, you record. If you shake the camera even like this, oh look, didn't even move once. came all over here to get some good old Colombian food. We just parked over here. Alright, come on. Came over here for this lovely, lovely food. You guys know, you know. Parked up, eating. Just like that, boys. Well, guys and girls, the night has come to an end. Fun little drive we took. Me and my wife with some food. Well, could have been better. The car kept shutting off again, but we already know the issue. That's gonna get fixed this week, and it would have been a lot better if the car was already tuned. So I think I'm just gonna. I know I could, I can go tune it. Yeah, I just gotta figure it out, I guess. Figure out when to take it to go get tuned. Make sure everything is squared off, which I think it is. You gotta get like a set of spark plugs and stuff like that, oil change. And I think she should be ready to tune, to be honest. I gotta put my little trusty old cup on this, but the exhaust is hot, so I don't know if I'm not sure if it'll burn this cup over it. Kind of scared. I might just leave it without the cup for tonight. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Hope to enjoy. Peace out.